Hey everyone, welcome back to the Snickerdoodle channel by Tom's Toys. My name is Jill, and today I've got a game for you. Now, I haven't done any board games on this channel yet, but one thing you're really going to realize if you subscribe, and I hope you do, hint hint, press the button, is that I'm a huge board game nerd. And I really love classic games. I have kind of a soft spot for them because I used to play them a lot growing up. And one of my favorite games to play with my family and my friends was Clue. Now, if you're not familiar or don't remember how to play Clue, Clue is a mystery game. You take 3 cards at the beginning of the game, a suspect, a weapon, and a room, and you hide them. And the whole point throughout the game is for the players to go from room to room, and it's essentially a gigantic logic puzzle where each player is trying to guess who did it, with what, in what location first. And the first player to guess the correct combination wins. Now, I realized I hadn't played Clue in a long time, and I think one of the reasons is because after you play it for a while, it kind of gets old and tired. There's only 6 suspects, 6 weapons, and 10 rooms, and there's only so many combinations that you can guess. So I was really excited when I saw that my favorite retro board game company, Winning Moves, had come out with this game. Now, I personally don't remember this game, Clue Master Detective. It was released in 1988, which was, I was very young then, let's just say that. But it looks like a lot of fun, and I can't wait to open it and get it started. It actually has up to 10 players, which means that it has 10 suspect cards, and they added 2 more weapons and 2 more rooms as well. So let's do a little unboxing here. So I got this from the store. So Winning Moves originally released this as an exclusive to Barnes & Noble in late last year, but this summer they started distributing it to small independent toy stores like Tom's Toys, and we were able to get it in. I think this is a great hit for like sleepover games, parties, even adult parties. So if you're having like a wine and cheese tasting or beer tasting, my family probably does beer tasting a little bit more, or even a tea party, this is a great thing to have. So let's see here. You got your board game. This is your board. This is a big board. Holy moly. So you've got, oh wow, all these rooms here. Studio, conservatory, billiard room. You also have your playing pieces. Now these, wow, these are actually pretty good quality from what I remember the original Clue game pieces being. They were also metal, but these seem a little bit bigger. So you have your revolver, your lead pipe, your bottle of poison, this is a new one, your rope, your horseshoe, which is the other new one, the knife, which I kind of like. This looks a little more like a dagger. One of the other things you'll realize about me if you watch this channel long enough is I'm a medieval fan. Candlestick and your wrench. And then you have your different playing pieces. So these are pretty standard, but you have 10 different colors here, which is pretty amazing. You got your dice, of course, and your cards. And it looks like you have your new players here too. So you have, looks like Monsieur Brunette, Sergeant Gray, oh, Mr. Green, Colonel Mustard, Miss Peach, looks to be a new one. She looks quite dashing there. Mrs. Peacock, Professor Plum, and Madame Rose. So it looks like you have plenty more mysteries to look up. I had to look up the math. I wish I could say I did this in my head, but I honestly, I couldn't remember how. Business calculus was a long, long time ago. But it looks like Clue, normal Clue, has 324 different possible mystery combinations, and Clue Master Detective has a whopping 960 different mysteries. So those couple of extra pieces, 4 different characters, 2 different weapons, 2 different rooms, really seem to mix it up a lot. So I can't wait to get playing on this. I know my husband's a big board game nerd too, and I think I'm actually going to see about taking it home this weekend. We're going to have some friends over, and we're going to get this going. So unfortunately, my kids are a little young to start playing this yet, but I can't wait to turn it into a great family game when they are. Thank you so much for watching. If you're in Montrose, Beverly Hills, or San Luis Obispo, California, please stop by Tom's Toys and say hi. Also, if you're located in Southern California, but you're not near one of those locations, I'm going to go ahead and put a link on the YouTube channel as well as the Facebook page for a quick little e-commerce link. So if you want to buy this from Tom's Toys and have it shipped to your house absolutely free within Southern California, we got that option for you as well. Again, my name is Jill. I have 13 years of experience in the toy industry and I'm a mom of 2. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. And your question of the day is, what was your favorite board game growing up? What was the game that you'd either play with your family or your friends over and over and you couldn't get enough of? So please send me your responses below, and if I get enough responses, maybe we'll do a little drawing for a free Clue Master Detective game. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep playing.